Welcome. In front of me is an iPhone 14 and today I will show you how you can restore your device from a backup. Now this can be done through a backup that has been created on your computer or on iCloud. It has no difference. Now if you're using Windows, you need to download iTunes for this, and obviously if you're downloading iTunes, you most likely do not have a backup that is on your computer, but only through iCloud. And if you're using Mac, you can just open up Finder. Finder is the equivalent of an Explorer on Windows. Once you plug in your phone, a little bit space just so you can see both of the screens maybe. So if I plug in my phone, it should show up here. So for Finder it will show up on the side panel, and on iTunes it will show up after it backs up. You can see this icon that was grayed out till the backup is finished, and you can see it right here. So Finder, you just click on the phone, and instead of seeing the internal storage, you would see this page right here. So that's what would be visible in your Finder right in this window. Anyway, once you have this visible, all you need to do is select Restore Backup. Now it's selected that it's using computer, so backup that has been created to my computer, and this one was created literally just now when I plugged it in, but I could select Restore from, let's cancel it, iCloud, Restore, and there was one that I did literally like a moment before that. Where is it? Looks like it's not showing up though. I have two different times, so for some stupid reason, iTunes is such a freaking fantastic program. It's showing me 6:57 p.m. and then I have 1854. So it's showing me a PM and a 24-hour clock. Why? Now, for some reason, I also have a couple that don't really show any kind of time unless I click on it. So this one was created at 6:19. So the one that literally was created not a moment ago. And there is 8:56, which is yesterday. And this is an iPad, so it doesn't really count. You know what, I'm just gonna select the one that was created when I plugged it in, whatever. So from here, once you select your desired backup point that you want to restore, click on Restore, and it's gonna begin the process. Now this will take a couple minutes. As you can see here, we have a restore in progress. The more data you have, the longer it will take. So as you can see, it's already finished, at least it looks like it. I think the device needs to reboot once it restores, so let's see. Yep, so it's turning on right now. And as you can see, the restore is now finished. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.